Master Training was founded with the goal to innovate the concept of training, incorporating a new educational model combining learning experiences with updated methodologies, achieving a real training experience. We deliver professionalized training, thinking about the growing and changing market requirements in the scenario of a globalized world and the need of the community about an innovative and high-quality training. Master Training is accredited as technical training agency by the National Training and Employment (CENSE), and it is certified under ISO 9001, International Standard on Quality Management Systems, and NCH 2728, the National Standard on Requirements about Technical Training. The feature that sets us apart from our peers is the human resource. This is led exclusively by professionals in the area of law, psychology, and humanities, with vast teaching and in charge of various areas within the company. We also guarantee an excellent educational model together a modern infrastructure. We have our own facilities. We have a classroom for 30 people, equipped with everything you need to carry out the training in full and thus provide an excellent service. This is reinforced by the implementation of the emergency plan, with all signals needed to make our service levels remain high in terms of safety and security of our students. Our mission is to be the most innovative technical training organization to contribute to a human resource development in the country. Thus, our areas of work are educational innovation, highly skilled professionals, a team that understands the responsibility to train as a way to educate, responsibility, quality, and the first-class infrastructure. We respect the customer making efforts to deliver the best of us. We are self-critical, being ourselves part of the training and development, managing to deliver updated content to satisfy the current needs of our customers. Master Training has a social responsibility strategies. We support various sustainability projects and assistance to the community that is involved in production processes and tasks. We deliver various areas of improvement focused on the workers' duties of our company, training courses in the areas of health, education, agriculture, tourism, and fisheries. These are just some of the various offers that we provide. Chile is recognized as a mining country due to the relevance in the economic development and because it constitutes an important activity to get jobs. For this reason, the mining area is our main training, with which we intend to be the largest training agency and recognized at the regional level. We propose a never-seen-before updated model of education in the training market, ensuring a relevant learning model to provide our students an effective and quality training. As an agency, we intend to maintain or overcome our customer satisfaction in various trainings to ensure the growth and the sustainable learning with the passing of time. Master Training is dedicated to provide training to human resource, ensuring their growth and recovery in different organizations. We incorporate in our work an unusual model, but improved and professionally designed with updated teaching techniques of instruction to pursue customer satisfaction. Doesn't matter if they are private or independent ones. Now, it's up to you. We invite you to know us. Master Training is to educate, and be educated is to fly high.